Hey everyone! Ever wondered how those square-shaped QR codes can open websites, launch WhatsApp chats, or show a YouTube video with just one scan? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make them using brandedqrcode.com and how to use them to grow your brand or business. QR codes are scannable images that act like shortcuts to websites, contact cards, payment pages, or anything else you link them to. They were originally used in manufacturing, but today they're everywhere, from restaurants and business cards to billboards and packaging. Let me show you how easy it is to create a professional QR code using brandedqrcode.com. When you land on the website and scroll down a bit, you'll see a big button that says Create Your QR Code. Click on it, and you'll be asked to choose between creating your QR code manually or using the Design Assistant. Let's go with the Design Assistant. It's the fastest way to create something beautiful. First, just upload your logo, then you can adjust its position, top, center, or side, based on what looks best. Once you do that, the Design Assistant will generate 4 to 6 QR code design options instantly, each customized to match your logo and brand colors. You can choose the one you like best, but the real power is, you can also edit any of them. Click on any of them and it will apply it. Change the dot pattern, corner shapes, or even the frame layout. The customization is totally up to you. Once your QR code design is ready, just enter the link you want it to open, whether it's your website, WhatsApp, YouTube, or anything else. Hit download and boom, your branded QR code is ready to go. I'll scan it in just a minute and see how it works. QR codes are incredibly versatile. You can use them for product packaging to link to demos or reviews, business cards to share your contact info instantly, event posters for RSVPs or ticket sales, flyers to direct people to your Instagram or YouTube, receipts to collect customer feedback or offer discounts. Sure, you can use a basic black and white QR code, but branded ones, they're far more effective. They look professional, match your brand, and are more likely to get scanned. With branded QR codes tools, your QR codes don't just function, they make a visual statement. QR codes are simple, powerful tools for real-world engagement. Now that you know how to create one and how to make it stand out, it's time to make your own. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart digital tools, and go try it yourself at brandedqrcode.com.